The 2025 BMW M4 is a no-nonsense high-performance coupe with a robust, muscular design that sits low over its large tires. An exaggerated yet functional front spoiler effectively manages airflow, while a quartet of exhaust pipes loudly announces the presence of its twin-turbo inline-six engine. Sharing much of its structural and performance DNA with the M3 sedan, the M4 showcases the expertise of BMW's M Performance division in both its engine and chassis design. The base M4 is powered by a 473 horsepower twin-turbo inline-six paired with a 6-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive, a classic setup that maximizes driver engagement. In contrast, the competition trim offers an 8-speed automatic and increases power to 503 horsepower. For the 2025 model year, all-wheel drive is available on the competition, adding an extra 20 horsepower for a total of 523. If you're seeking peak performance, the CS model provides a tuned version of the engine with 543 horsepower. The M4 features a performance-tuned suspension that offers exceptional grip on twisty roads and tracks, although the firm setup can make every pothole and imperfection feel prominent. Additionally, the overly complex configurable drive modes can feel less refined compared to rivals like the Cadillac CT4V Blackwing, Mercedes-AMG C63, and Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. The competition coupe and competition convertible models now offer an additional 20 horsepower, reaching a total of 523. Both the front and rear lighting have been refreshed, with the taillights featuring laser diode technology inspired by the limited edition M4 CSL. The new flat-bottom steering wheel showcases a revised spoke design, and the infotainment system operates on BMW's latest iDrive 8.5 software. A new forged light alloy wheel design in a bright silver finish is also available. The newly introduced CS Coupe model replaces the CSL and delivers 543 horsepower while shedding 45 pounds for a lighter curb weight. Under the hood, the M4 boasts a powerful and responsive twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six, offered in 3 tuning levels. The base M4 Coupe produces 473 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque, delivering an engaging driving experience with rear-wheel drive and a 6-speed manual transmission. The competition model ramps up to 503 horsepower and 479 pound-feet, but is limited to an 8-speed automatic. The M4 Competition can also be equipped with a rear-biased all-wheel drive system, sacrificing manual shifting for enhanced traction. The M4 CS features a tuned version of the engine for a total of 543 horsepower. All M4 models come equipped with adaptive dampers, adjustable brake pedal feel, and an electronically controlled exhaust system that becomes louder in Sport and Sport Plus modes, although the volume can be adjusted with the M Sound button. BMW offers numerous drive mode settings, which may complicate the driving experience envisioned by their engineers. Nevertheless, the M4 Competition impresses with its rapid acceleration, outstanding cornering grip, and exceptional stability. The standard M4 features 18-inch front wheels and 19-inch rear wheels, while the M4 Competition is fitted with staggered 19-inch front and 20-inch rear wheels. A carbon fiber roof lowers the center of gravity, and fade-resistant carbon ceramic brakes are optional. In tests conducted by Car and Driver, the M4 Coupe achieved 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds and completed the quarter mile in 12 seconds at a trap speed of 121 miles per hour. The competition model is even quicker, hitting 60 miles per hour in a remarkable 2.8 seconds. For 2025, both the M4 Competition Coupe and M4 Competition Convertible X-Drive models receive a 20 horsepower increase for a total of 523 horsepower, ideally enhancing acceleration. While the M4 shares its interior layout with the standard 4 Series Coupe, it emphasizes a sportier aesthetic with unique materials and racing-inspired options. The standard M Sport seats feature enhanced bolstering, integrated headrests, and available ventilation. Weight-saving carbon fiber front seats are also offered. The redesigned steering wheel features a flat-bottom design and is available in either genuine leather or faux suede, complete with customizable M-Drive mode buttons. Interior updates include a standard dark graphite matte finish on the dashboard, control panel, and cup holders, along with optional carbon fiber trim pieces and long paddle shifters. The back seat is less spacious than the M3 sedans, but still offers practical seating for passengers. The convertible variant allows for limitless headroom with its retractable fabric top. Pricing for the 2025 BMW M4 starts at $80,275, topping out at $124,675 based on trim and options. The M4 Competition presents a compelling case for additional investment, particularly with the 2025 xDrive model's power boost. However, we prefer the standard M4 for its manual transmission, rear-wheel drive, and more compliant ride. Additional features we would choose include the lightweight, supportive M carbon bucket seats, the M Drive Professional package with onboard drift analyzer and lap timer, and the M Drivers package, which raises the top speed and includes a high-performance driving class. The M4 is rated by the EPA for 16 miles per gallon in the city and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. During our 75 miles per hour fuel economy test, the rear-wheel drive M4 with a 6-speed manual achieved 21 miles per gallon, slightly below its EPA estimate. For more details on the M4's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Each M4 comes with a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a sleek infotainment system featuring a 14.9-inch touchscreen. Now running on BMW's new iDrive 8.5 operating system, complete with M-specific graphics and updated climate control. Multiple control options allow users to navigate through menus using voice commands, steering wheel buttons, or a large rotary controller on the center console. The M4's infotainment system is equipped with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Harman Kardon audio system, with optional features like gesture controls, a subscription-based Wi-Fi hotspot, and a wireless charging pad available. The M4 is powered by a remarkable engine that provides abundant power from idle to redline, with